Hello, as we're moving into spring, I wanted to create a two canvas painting to show the difference in seasons. So every now and again, I do a one-off art piece to see what I can create and learn through practice. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I am currently rediscovering art and trying some new things, so mainly art books, diamond art, and one-off pieces like this. And if that's something you're interested in seeing, please subscribe so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So I'm going to show and talk through what I did on each step and list all of the materials in the description. Okay, so I've let the gesso dry overnight, so we're on the next day now. I've got the metallic key silver on the left, so that's going to be the winter side. And then I've got golden metallic on the right, which is going to be the spring side. And I'm just going to be using some shop's own acrylic paint. So nothing fancy, and I haven't drawn it out or anything, so we're just going to put a tree in the middle and then gradually add some elements into the painting. So I'll be putting snow in there, maybe some trees in the background, make it look really wintry, and I'll be making it a bit iridescent with this medium, so I'll add that in at the end. I'll be putting in some young leaves on the trees. I'll try and put some mist in as well. Going to add some grass, some more trees, so just basically draw out the scene and to see where we end up, really. Just have a little bit of fun. I'm not a professional artist or anything. I'm just having a bit of fun with art and wanting to do this two canvas painting, which you could take apart or you could have them separate. The branches are going to be just higgledy-piggledy all over the place, really. Right, so I put a couple of trees in the background. So I'm going to start off on the winter side by putting in snow freshly laid. See if I can get, I don't know how difficult it'll be to get a few blades of grass coming out of here, but we'll see. It's going to be quite high than this snow. And this is also going on all of the branches. I'm going to add a bit of blue in too, just to brighten it up and add it to the trunk of the tree. Just really pick out where the snow would land. So we have a little bit of green coming through. I'm just going to use a bit of this just on some of the edges, but not all of them. Just on probably the top parts, just add a bit of blue. You can barely see it, but I can see it. I do like this stuff, you know. It's very heavy. And this is the icy bit. There we go. A wintry scene. Now I'm going to attempt grass. I've got one of these fan brushes, but it's quite big, so we'll see how we do. And then we'll just change the colours up and keep adding extra bits. I'm going to add a morning dew as well. That looks a bit grassy, doesn't it? And just keep layering it up and see where we get to. Okay, we're going to stick with that and then we're going to do some flowers. Buttercup type things, maybe. I'm trying to draw some simple little flowers in the meadow. So it's like a meadow, full of life in spring. Now tackle the leaves, and I think that's it. They're going to be small. And just be careful with what I'm doing. Just going to go on the edges like this. I'm just going to add a bit more, and then we'll lighten the colour up for the highlights. Try and do that iridescent paint. Really light I want it. I'm going to sort of capture a morning dew. To get like the glisten on the grass that you get in the mornings. I'm just going to get a bit of tissue, dab this, I think. And I think we're done. I might give this a try next year in 12 months' time to see how different it turns out after a year of doing art. Please subscribe and a like if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.